Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Java, setting HTTP headers can be important for web applications, especially when you're working with servlets or Java-based web frameworks such as Spring. HTTP headers provide essential information about the request or response, such as content type, content length, authorization, caching policies, etc. Setting HTTP headers in Java servlets. When using Java servlets, you can set headers in the httpservletresponse object. Below is a step-by-step tutorial on how to set headers in a Java servlet. Step 1. Create a Java servlet. First, you need to create a servlet that will handle HTTP requests. Here's a simple example of a servlet that sets some HTTP headers. Step 2. Configure your web application. Make sure that your web application is configured correctly to run servlets. If you are using a web server like Apache Tomcat, you need to have the web.xml file configured properly, or you can use annotations as shown above. If you are using an old-style configuration, here's how you might declare the servlet in web.xml. Step 3. Deploy and test your servlet. 1. Deploy your web application to a servlet container, example Apache Tomcat. 2. Access your servlet via a web browser or a tool like Postman by navigating to http://localhost 8080/yourwebapp/example. 3. You should see a simple HTML response with hello, world, and custom headers have been set. Viewing the headers. To view the headers that were set. Browser, open Developer Tools, F12, go to the Network tab, and inspect the request made to your servlet. Postman, after sending the request, check the Headers tab in the Response section. Common HTTP headers. Here are some common headers you might want to set in your Java application. Content type indicates the media type of the resource. Cache control, directives for caching mechanisms in both requests and responses. Expires, gives the date/time after which the response is considered stale. Pragma, used for backward compatibility with HTTP/1.0 caches. Authorization, contains credentials for authenticating a user agent with a server. Conclusion. Setting HTTP headers in a Java servlet is straightforward and allows you to control how clients and proxies interact with your web application. You can customize headers based on your application's requirements, improving security, performance, and functionality.